forecasts and estimated rainfall from Doppler radar indicate that in excess of 2 inches of rain are falling per hour. These type of rain rates, on top of already wet soils, will lead to rapid flooding. Move to higher ground if necessary. Driving into floodwaters could cost you your life, or at the very least, thousands of dollars of vehicle damage. Nearly half of all flash flood fatalities are auto-related. Turn around, don't drown. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to travel across flooded roads. Find alternate routes. It takes only a few inches of swiftly flowing water to carry vehicles away. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until noon for the following county: Hunterdon County, New Jersey.